Hi Asad, I am Biplav speaking. This is my daily checklist video. Every day's work on my mail opening at the first, and then I check out my beta team. And today I also check on Delta team. This is Bangla channel. You know about that. I all the check, and over there is a video from Shashanin. I watch that and understand what will we do after that. Okay, then I go to my regular work, and that is today my work is Goldcrest, and I work on that. I've got some product of Goldcrest, and I set it on here. I got some products, but there are not all are actually perfect. Okay, I set it over here, and I all the product check on Amazon inventory, and do as your instruction today. And then I work on my KGG. Today I am reply someone named Muhammad Bedi. I reply him, and he give me the details. I set it on rental sheet, and I check today on Emacs bill. It's not still coming. So this is my all work today. So thanks for your watching my detail. Bye.